In front of me is ITEL S24 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. Finally, hit OK in the pop-up and manage all of those options. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then click on Days of the Week. Tap on this plus next to pause alarm to exclude some specific dates, and to save them hit OK. To remove them use remove button right next to them. Now tap on this bell. Download one of those sound sources like YouTube Music and log in to use music from it. Or hit sounds to tap on add new and pick any song from your smartphone. You can also just select one of those melodies. Then scroll to manage vibrations thanks to this icon next to vibrate. And add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine thanks to this icon right next to it. If you wish to hide your settings, click at the top right corner. To disable or enable your alarm, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!